Hola.
Hi, people. Jesse,
Todd.
me. Manhattan Project, this. We're doing an impromptu old fashioned today.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start talking a little bit while Jesse's kind of getting stuff set up. If you've been watching closely.
Stuff is set up.
Okay, wow. Okay, what about glassware? Are we not
doing
that today?
Nope, we're going to actually make it in our mouths.
Okay.
Swish it around.
Perfect.
All right.
Yeah, so if you've been watching the channel closely and based on our numbers as far as long form, not many people actually have. But we haven't been on camera too much together recently, and I can speak for Jesse when I can say this has been kind of a difficult year for both of us for different reasons. Not going to get into all the specifics, but as far as this channel goes, we're trying to kind of just keep it running, limp along, and do the best we can. So Jesse has once again been the face of the shorts, and then I've handled a lot of more of the long form content, and then editing. So that's kind of where we're at. I can tell you that I was amazed that some of you watching, I said that I had lost my job a few months ago, and how much the uncertainty of all that actually zaps the energy for doing something like this, especially a nonprofit, basically. So That's kind of where we're at, but we're hoping to ramp things up back this fall, and the algorithm sucks right now anyways, so we're just kind of limping along again.
Making do.
Yeah, we'll get there. So that's just where we're at, and for our viewers, Christine, you know who you are, of course. You're one of our longtime loyal fans. We would love to see some sort of cocktail request from you. Nothing is out of bounds within reason. No expensive bottles, please. But yeah, you're a not only a fan, but you're a whiskey enthusiast. So I'd like to see a suggestion from you. Please do so. And of course, swagger, you're always welcome. Nothing crazy.
And anybody else.
Yes. But
to name a few frequent viewers and commenters.
Yes. Yeah. Anybody's welcome. So please do.
All right.
What do we got going on?
So we are going to do a Apple Cider Old Fashioned. Okay. So we've got some apple cider, some bitters, cherry, a little maple syrup. I don't know. While I'm kind of doing some of this, why don't you surprise me with a bottle?
This was a recent pickup. Some of you may have seen the episode where we had Dan McElwain. He's a brand ambassador for Pursuit Spirits. Just last week, he was doing a tasting at a local liquor store, so we stopped over there and picked up a bottle of this. Thank you, Dan, and thank you for Pursuit Spirits. Looking forward to trying this.
Agreed.
And this is a 108 proof bourbon, as all of their whiskeys are. So should be good.
Whew. That does come out quick. That's like it's 4 dashes, but I think the hole on that top is really big.
It's backloaded.
Yeah, so that's kind of like, I don't know, let's call it 5 dashes from a small bottle.
Well, this drink's gonna be on the sweet side anyway, so that'll help balance it out.
Agreed. All right, so far I've got 2 ounces of apple cider. I've got 4 dashes, really kind of 5, but you guys do that to taste. Bitters, I'm going to do 2 ounces of this bourbon from Pursuit.
Clink, clink.
Make a whole lot of noise doing it. Put that over there. Put this next to it. I don't know. Staging.
Okay.
Face them.
No.
All right,
not
fine.
doing that.
And then we're going to do something like a bar spoon of maple syrup.
I like the color already.
Agreed. Looks very fall.
Very fall-like.
Yes. And we don't have a scoop, so my hands are relatively clean. Put a little ice in here. If you're amongst friends, use that method. Otherwise, I don't know, get a scoop. All right, let's put that away. Let's go ahead and give this a little stir.
Stirry poo.
A little stirry poo. Well, now why don't you continue stirring that for me? All right.
How's that? That's right. Ice chips.
Kudos for keeping the ice in there. We have our torch down here.
We do.
Can you grab that for me?
Sure.
All right, so got it made and chilled. We're going to strain this into our rocks glass. That looks good.
What kind of chips do you want?
No. I just want the.
Oh.
I just want that.
Cinnamon.
For the cinnamon. All right. Okay, so we've got that made. I'm going to toast a little cinnamon stick here. And this is optional, obviously. Just get it kind of smoking a bit. And we're just going to go ahead and place this right over top.
All right, so let me say too that we both have our reasons why any given week. Well,
it smells good.
I should say we both have reasons why at any given time we're not drinking. And again, I'm not going to get into that, but like for me this week, I just started a new job, so concentration is a key factor. So I'm going to taste this, but that's going to be about it. Normally this would be a whole drink that I'm going to knock back. Jesse's not today for whatever reason, but no, but he's playing sports right now, so it's tough on him to drink and try and do that. So I'm going to be tasting this. What'd you call this?
A Apple Cider Old Fashioned.
Okay. Oh, that's really good. The ratios in this are good. That it's still boozy.
Yeah.
I've seen some ones where it's like, 2 cups of apple cider. Well, yeah, of course, 2 cups of apple cider and 1 ounce of whiskey, and that's just like a punch. But yeah, this is dynamite.
Yeah, really good.
I highly recommend. We're going to put the recipe for this down in the description, so go check it out.
And can we link over to Pursuit down there too?
Yep.
Yeah, so we'll do that for you guys. Yeah, that's about all I got.
That's it. Till next time, keep the requests coming, or get some requests coming.
Keep the requests coming.
Yes. That's it. Cheers. Peace.